Hey guys, this is Jessica from the happiest blog on earth, live at Disneyland Resort. I am at Splitsville. I'm not sure how much you can hear me, but I'm gonna give you a tour of Splitsville, the luxury lanes at downtown Disney. So let's flip it around and take a look at what's going on here. Hold on. Okay, just walking into Splitsville. You can come in for either Penny and Kayla. I see you're watching. Let me know if you can hear me. I know the music is really loud, but this is luxury bowling, and I'm going to tell you why this is luxury. Okay, awesome. You can hear. The music gets louder as we walk in. But you can come in for bowling and dining, or just for bowling, or just for dining. There are 20 lanes here and plenty of space for dining. We have an outdoor dining area right here. There is also a bar option, so you can just come up here and have some items to drink. Let's see. So we are actually bowling right here. They have the bowling in different sections, so it's not like a massive space of all the lanes. This is my husband right here. He's making his debut. Okay, we just got some of our appetizers. Yeah, I need you guys to take some good pictures of this food for me because I'm videoing. And so this is the loaded fries and then chicken tenders, and then we have some drinks here. They have some handcrafted cocktails. We're going mocktail style today. But again, we have the bowling and then the booths here that you can sit and eat at. The way they do the bowling is by time. So you have time going off on the side, and you can eat and go bowling at the same time. So it's not like per game. Let's see, I'm trying to see. Okay, let's find you one of these cute Mickey and Minnie balls. I know it's like darker, too dark probably. Okay, let's keep going. I'll have all kinds of whole report. You know what, I gotta try one of these. I'm so hungry, you guys. Let's come back over. And we have tons more food coming, but I just have to try some really fast. Hope you guys don't mind. Okay. My husband's cracking up at me. Okay, let's go upstairs. I haven't been upstairs yet, but it's pretty much the same. I know they have a VIP area. You guys, they make all this food like fresh. The sushi is made fresh every day. Pizza dough is made fresh. I think this is the kitchen. I think we can kind of peek in there. Oh yeah, they are totally busy. And you know we ordered some sushi too. So I'm excited to try that. Sushi and bowling, I mean, not something you would think of. Oh, and look at this. Golden lanes. You see that bowling ball is in orange? Because as you know, Disneyland used to be a grove of oranges. Let's go upstairs. This is a great place to go when you're on your arrival day or the date that you're leaving, or maybe a non-park day. Perfect for hosting parties and events. They do rent out this entire top floor if you have a group big enough that would need an event like that. Okay, so huge dining space. Yeah, and then more little sections of bowling here. So let's go around, and really just like a cool vintage vibe everywhere. I think this is the VIP area. Maybe not. Maybe. I know there is one. I heard about it. I think this is it because it looks like they kind of have it tucked away there. So we're gonna let these people have their fun and not bother them in their VIP booth, right? Camilla, you're going on Monday. I'll be there as well. So let me know. You can say hello if you see me. I'll be posting videos throughout the week. And also tomorrow I'll be going to the Pizza Press for dinner, so I'll be doing some live videos from there so you can see the kind of food. Let's go check out. I bet they're waiting for me to do my bowling turn, but oh nope, there's my husband who just did his. So that means I am next. I don't know, should I let you guys see me bowl? I'm not good at all. So outdoor, indoor, and this place is bumping. Holy packed. Yeah, it's my turn. Okay, let's do this. Give me some love. Give me some thumbs up. Well, I'll let you guys. Okay, handing it over. Did you go my first turn? Oh, he did good for me then. Okay, let me show you the ball. So, is it light enough to see? That works. So there's, like, they have Mickey Mouse, and then there's Minnie on another one of these. Mickey, let's see, I know Minnie's on this one. Super cute, definitely Disney vibe in here. And let's see. Okay, so we talked about the food. So yeah, they do reservations, and then they do it also by like, however many people are in your party, you get a certain amount of time for that. And I believe you can do that online. So here's the rate for that. You can see, I don't know, is that showing up backwards for you guys? I'm not sure. Might have to fix that later. Oh my gosh, some more food came. Okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna let you guys look at this, and then I have to go because I have to eat it. Oh.
Sorry.
No, you're all good. You taking pictures
Big
for
and
me?
Cheeto, yeah.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look at this. See, seriously, we're not joking. We're talking about delicious food. I'm
Sushi
so
at a
excited.
bowling alley.
Yes, whoever thought. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to dine here. I'll be doing a full review at thehappiestvlogonearth.com. And more coming on my Instagram stories. You can see this tonight. I'm at Disneyland Plan on Instagram. All right, see you real soon at Disneyland.